Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to log out of Invideo AI from your phone. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Invideo AI app on your phone. You should be on the home screen or wherever you last left off. Simply tap on this back button. Next, tap on the profile icon. You'll usually find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you are in your profile section, you'll be seeing Logout. At the second last, simply tap on Logout. Tap on Logout. It's that easy, you have been logged out from your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.